LipoBoost Gummies are marketed as a weight loss supplement that claims to boost metabolism, increase fat burning, and help users lose weight with minimal effort. The advertising often makes it sound like the body can burn fat almost automatically, but the real question is it real or just another effortless fat-burning promise? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in weight loss supplements, such as caffeine, green tea extract, or certain fiber blends, may have modest effects on appetite, energy levels, or calorie expenditure. What it does well: convenient to take. Gummies are often easier to use than pills or powders. May help with appetite control. Some ingredients can help people feel fuller for a short period, where the hype falls apart. No gummy can make fat disappear effortlessly. Sustainable weight loss still depends primarily on diet, physical activity, sleep, and overall lifestyle. Results vary widely. What works for one person may have little or no noticeable effect for another. Marketing often overstates fat-burning effects. Terms like melt fat or burn fat while doing nothing are usually not supported by strong clinical evidence. So, should you buy LipoBoost Gummies? Short answer: probably not if you're expecting effortless fat loss. If you view it as a small supplement that might provide modest support for appetite control or energy, it could be worth considering. But if you're buying it because the ads promise automatic fat burning, your expectations are likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.